Hello, everyone. The news is coming that Vinesh Phogat, who is an Indian wrestler, has been disqualified from Paris Olympics. So it is a heartbreaking news for all the Indians that the wrestler Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified from the Paris Olympics. तो विनेश फोगाट का जो वेट था वो कुछ ही ग्राम्स ज्यादा था प्रिस्क्राइब्ड लिमिट से. Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified due to stringent weight in rules of Olympic wrestling. Now we'll understand here what are the weight in rules. तो weight in rules क्या कहते हैं? That she will not be eligible for a silver medal now. 50 kg category will now only have a gold and bronze medalist. अब जैसा कि हमें पता है, unlike many other sports, wrestlers have to make their weight on both days of the competition. इसका मतलब क्या है? That athletes needs to maintain their weight category even after the initial weigh-in also. तो जब हम इन चीजों की बात करते हैं तो इससे हमें ये पता लगता है that there is absolutely no tolerance for being overweight in Olympics. So even a few grams can also lead to disqualification. So because of this, this is particularly a harsh rule, and we can say that Vinesh Phogat is not going to be awarded for a silver medal. So this competition will simply proceed without a silver medalist. Okay, so Vinesh Phogat's disqualification, it is a major setback for Indian wrestling. So now we need to understand what are the factors which affect weight fluctuations like dehydration, then muscle mass versus fat mass, metabolic rate, dietary challenges, psychological pressures. ये सारी ही चीजें होती हैं. तो ये एक सीख होगी कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से इन चीजों को ध्यान में रखा जाए. एंड विनेश फोगाट जैसे रेसलर्स को बिल्कुल भी निराश नहीं होना चाहिए. पूरे देश को उन पर गर्व है. धन्यवाद.